In question number 18, we have been given this integral. 1 upon root of sine x cube into sine of x plus alpha. Okay, so first of all, to integrate this, I am going to solve this separately so that the calculations are made faster. Okay, so this term 1 upon sine cube x into sine of x plus alpha I take here. Okay, here I am going to apply the formula of sine of a plus b. So the sine cube x remains as it is. This will be equal to sine x cos alpha plus cos x sine alpha. Okay. Further, what I am going to do, I am going to take from this bracket sine x as common. So I am going to get sine 4x, okay, into cos alpha plus, on taking sine x common here, I am going to get cos alpha. Here this term will become cos x upon sine x. Okay, this will be equal to cot x into sine alpha. Okay, so this will be equal to 1 upon this sine 4x is taken outside the root, and I am going to get sine square x under root of cos alpha plus sine alpha into cot x. Okay, so instead of this integral, I am going to write, and one thing more, this sine square x I am going to rewrite as cosec square x. Okay, so instead of integrating 1 upon root of sine cube x into sine of x plus alpha, I am going to integrate cosec square x upon cos alpha plus sine alpha into cot x. Okay, after this what I am going to do, I am going to assume cos alpha plus sine alpha into cot x as equal to t. Okay, on differentiating, I am going to get minus sine alpha into cosec square x dx as equal to dt. So instead of cosec square x dx, I am going to write dt upon minus sine alpha, or cosec square x is equal to minus 1 upon sine alpha dt. Minus 1 upon sine alpha 1 upon root t dt. Okay, so integration of 1 upon root t is equal to integration of t to the power of minus 1 by 2. So this will be equal to 2 times integration of t to the power of 1 by 2, or 2 root t. Therefore, I am going to write this as equal to 1 upon sine alpha into 2 times under root of cos alpha plus sine alpha into cot alpha into cot x. Okay, now one thing more, we have been given the integral in the form of sine of x plus alpha. Okay, so since this function can be solved again in that form, so I am going to simplify it. So let us simplify it. So I am going to get minus 2 upon sine alpha cos alpha plus sine alpha into cos alpha, into cos x upon sin x. Okay. On taking LCM, this will be equal to 2 upon sin alpha. LCM, this will be equal to sin x. This will be equal to sin x cos alpha plus sin alpha cos x. Okay, so I'm going to get this as 2 upon sin alpha, and this will be equal to sin of x plus alpha upon sin x. Okay, so including the integral constant, my final answer is this: minus 2 upon sin alpha into sin x plus alpha upon sin x. So this is our required answer.